Ready to turn frustrating website visits into delightful customer experiences with the power of automated conversations? Today, we're diving into building flows in Aisensy, where you can design intelligent conversation paths that guide your customers seamlessly. Start by logging into your Aisensy account and navigating to the Flows section on the dashboard. Click on the Create Flow button to start a new conversation design. You'll be presented with a blank canvas to visually map out your customer's journey. Every flow begins with a start node. From there, you can add various node types. A message node allows you to send text, images, or other media to the user. A condition node lets you branch the conversation based on the user's response or specific criteria. Action nodes let you perform tasks like updating customer data or triggering external integrations. Let's add a message node as our first step here. You can craft a welcoming message and pose a question to the user. This is your chance to set the tone and direct the conversation. Next, we'll add a condition node to handle different responses. Imagine the user has to make a choice. Connect the message node to the condition node, and then set up different branches for each possible answer. Each branch represents a unique path the user might take. Remember to connect all your nodes logically, ensuring a smooth flow from one interaction to the next. This visual mapping makes it easy to understand and adjust the customer's journey. Before launching your flow, always test it thoroughly. Aisensy provides a testing feature that lets you simulate a conversation and identify any potential issues or areas for improvement. With Aisensy Flows, you can transform your customer interactions, providing personalized assistance and streamlining communication, leading to happier customers and better business outcomes.